Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we're filming inventory. We're filming all my Quail Ridge Summit and log cabin park models. This is a Summit 355FL with the loft. We currently have 3 of them here. This is unit number 5691. It's gray with white trim, and it's a pretty sharp looking trailer. We'll take a little walk around it right quick so you can see what she looks like. Got an auxiliary air, outside water spigot, gray and white, triple axle. Heading on in, I'll show you some of the features that are common to most of these trailers. Got all thermal pane windows and doors. This one actually has a built-in fireplace. We'll get on in here. Dinette with 4 chairs. Storage under the seat. You've got sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, fireplace, entertainment center, LED lights, nice view out the front and the side. We got another trailer over there, but it is a nice view. Everything in these goes with them. All the furnishings, draperies, appliances are included. Has a 5-burner 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, pantry. You got steps leading up to the loft. The loft is about a half of the trailer, so I've just called them a half loft. You could maybe call it a 2/3 loft, I don't know. There's an auxiliary air conditioner back in the corner. That'll keep your kids, grandkids, or adult guests from sweating to death when they're camped out in your loft. We'll head back down the steps here. Kitchen is lovely. Nice open kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Plenty of cabinetry. Got shelving in your cabinets. The drawer guides are full extension ball bearing drawer guides. 18.5 cubic foot fridge, hall pantry. Got a lot of shelving in the pantry. I don't know, I guess you can see in there. We'll head on into the bathroom here. Nice big bathroom. It's got 7-foot ceilings because there's a loft overhead. You got a vanity. You got a medicine cabinet. You got a commode. You got a shower and a tub. Good family trailer. Got your tub. Got your window. What more could you ask for? In here, you've got your upgraded master suite. Has a queen bed and bedspread, nightstand and small lamp. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors, lit closets. A lot of value here. A lot of value here. You got the full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Load them babies up. You will not break them. Okay. So it's got plank flooring throughout the entire trailer. The only place that has carpeting is the loft. How's that? That's because we order them that way. Pretty cool trailer, huh? We're planning on selling 10 or 12 of these this year. We got 3 in stock, so come on down and get you one. This is definitely our price leader. Lot of value. If you got any questions, call Kelly. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Have a great day. And thanks for watching my video. I welcome all comments, good, bad, and ugly. Go ahead and leave me some. Have a great day.